As you can see from the example, it has BAYC or Bored Ape NFT imprinted on the hoodie itself. In the last project, I talked about the first Move to Earn blockchain app that rewards every time you move. In today's video, I will talk about a new project that is focused on fashion industry. Welcome to ToastTubes, I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about MIRL Fashion brand. It is the first fashion-fi project that focuses on fashion. I will talk in length about this project, so do watch the complete video till the end. I will cover its feature and what is in it there for you. Before I start, as a ritual, I welcome you on board. If you are new here, do remember to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive weekly crypto notification. And if you are a reader who wish to read about this project or any other crypto project of your choice, just click the description box and visit my website, which is toasttubes.com, and read every article of your choice. Having said that, it's time to jump right in and explore MIRL. Before I take you through the list of topics, allow me to introduce you to the platform on which we are active. We are active on YouTube, but we are also active on Twitter and also on Meta. If you wish to spark a conversation, just drop a comment below and visit our Twitter handle and share a tweet with us. Now let's start with the topics of today. I will start with what is MIRL project. Then I will cover problem addressed by MIRL, a look into MIRL ecosystem, MIRL tokenomics and token sale, and then I will cover benefits and drawbacks, and then I close the video with should you invest in MIRL or give it a pass. I will start with what is MIRL project. MIRL stands for Made in Real Life. It is the first fashion brand that harnesses the power of NFT Metaverse to bring decentralized fashion to the real world. It is built around wear-to-earn economy and supported by make-to-demand model. I will talk about both of this model later in this video. Now there is a reason why MIRL is created. It is here to address the following problems that are surrounding the fashion industry. Problems like environmental damages, lack of transparency, and roadblocks for the new designers. These are the key concerning issues that it wants to address using the power of blockchain. Coming to the environmental damages, in the year 2019, fashion industry accounted for the highest carbon emission when compared to the all flights and all maritime emissions combined. If that wasn't enough, according to a report, it uses a total of 3 billion cubic meters of water and 500,000 microfiber every year, and that accounts for the lot of wastage and overproduction in the industry. As such, it is clearly seen how dangerous this industry is going when it comes to environmental protection. The next problem we have is roadblocks for the new designers. Fashion industry is fast but is brutal at the same time. There is no place for new designers if they don't pick up their art fast. A new designer needs some capital investment and also a good distribution in order to survive in this market. Now fortunately, MIRL is here to provide a helping hand to the new and emerging designers. Next problem is lack of transparency. Now overall, the supply chain of the complete fashion industry is quite opaque in nature. The clothes you are wearing, we are not sure from where it is sourced, how good is the quality of the chemicals which are used, and what is the life of these particular chemicals. Again, MIRL wishes to address all these problems, and that's why the project is born. After addressing the problem, there comes the ecosystem of the project. Now as you can see from the image right over here, this is the complete ecosystem, or you can see the pillars of the ecosystem, the one in blue, which addressing the concerning problems. You have MIRL NFT, you have MIRL eStore, which is MIRL Labs, then you have MIRL Incubator, and finally you have MIRL DAO. I will start with MIRL NFT and then will explain to the process how the complete ecosystem work in collaboration to support the MIRL concept. So as the name suggests, MIRL NFT is purely dedicated to launching the NFTs which are there on its website. At the time of creating the video, it has already released the first generation of its NFTs, which consist of 8,888 unique tokens that can be redeemed against a real physical variable. That is done using MIRL eStore, or you can say MIRL Labs. So MIRL Labs is the eStore of MIRL ecosystem. It is where you can make a purchase of the product which you can wear in the physical world. In order to make you understand how MIRL function, just look at this flowchart right over here. As the chart shows, there are 3 steps to the complete process. We start with MIRL NFTs. Now if you are owner of NFT, all you need to do is connect your wallet to the eStore. Once you connect your wallet to the eStore, the system will verify your ownership, and based upon the ownership, it will give you access to the customization feature, in which you can choose the apparel and customize your NFT, which will be imprinted on that particular product. Just like the example, this one over here. As you can see from the example, it has BAYC or Bored Ape NFT imprinted on the hoodie itself. This is kind of sample feature which will be put to use when MIRL deploy itself. Similarly, any type of NFT that you own can be customized and wear using your own customization feature and will be delivered by MIRL team just like any other e-commerce company. Moreover, the team claims to use only eco-friendly fabrics to produce all its clothings. Now that comes the NFT part, and that comes the MIRL Labs part, and the next is incubator. As I said before, the team wants to support the emerging designer, artist and creator, and that's why it has incubator in process. The incubator will allow the new and emerging designer to showcase their work and then monetize it on the MIRL platform. Moreover, the project will also provide a scholarship program to the emerging designers. In order to participate, you need to submit the design portfolio, which looks like something like this right over here. And based upon the response, you will get the scholarship. Now, of course, among all the incubations process, there is DAO which take part into the process. All the profits that are generated by selling the NFTs and 50% of the earnings that are generated from the eStore will go to DAO treasury. And that's where it will support the incubation process. DAO will help decentralize the complete ecosystem of the project and also hand over its power to the community members. That completes the MIRL ecosystem, and now I will talk about MIRL token. MIRL token is the utility token of the complete project. Now it has following set of utilities which ranges from governance, scholarship, payments, LP rewards and many more. To know in depth about these utilities, you can click on the link in the description and read about my post on MIRL project. And now I will talk about the tokenomics. The major part of the project, which is 60% of it, is allocated to community growth and project development. The 10% is allocated for the airdrops, and the remaining distribution can be seen right here in front of the chart. Now when I talk about the token sale, at the moment when I speak, which is 15th of March 2022, the token sale is live right now. The token sale is live on Waggle and each token is priced at around $0.018 US. The total stake for the public distribution is just 3.5%. Apart from the public sale, it already had a seed round and a private sale round. That covers the MIRL token. And now I will talk about the benefits of the project, which is quite clear by now. It is environmental friendly. There is no competition as of now in this field. There is no project who is focused on fashion industry. There is no project who is focusing on connecting NFT with the real world physical items. Apart from the benefit, it has a very strong team of advisors. As you can see right over here, it has advisors from Google, from Levi's, Mini Cooper and many more. So these are some of the strengths of the project which should be taken into consideration. When I talk about the drawbacks which I believe is its low barrier to entry. Any project, if it wishes to capture the market share of this project, it can do so by simply replicating its model. It is very easy to replicate. If OpenSea or even looks rare, decide to enter this space, which are the NFT marketplaces, they can easily do so. So does any other project. Now if you wish to learn about LooksRare token and how LooksRare work and what the marketplace is all about, you can click on the link above and read about LooksRare NFT marketplace. Apart from this drawback, the second drawback which I believe should be there in the long run, and that is traditional competition. There is still no competitor it has at the moment, but in the long run, if the project succeeds or the NFT pickups, it will be tough for this project to compete if there are big players enter into the NFT space, which are like Zara and H&M. If they enter this space with the same set of model or they can replicate this model, it will be tough for the project to survive in the long run. I hope that won't happen anytime soon. So these are some of the drawbacks, and the final is I will talk about should you invest in MIRL or give it a pass. So personally, if you ask me, the project is good, the business model is actually very solid, and the advisor team is strong. Finally, it is the first fashion-fi product, or you can say first fashion-fi project which can do wonders. However, my only concern is consumers. Consumers have been accustomed to a fast fashion type of lifestyle, and it will be difficult for them to switch to sustainable fashion by blink of an eye. That's why it will take some time and a lot of effort by the project to turn them from fast fashion to a sustainable fashion. Moreover, if the project succeeds in the long run, it will face stiff competition with the traditional players which can come up with a better economic model. Overall, the project is good and the team is genuine. I personally support environment-friendly fashion and a sustainable fashion. I hope the people will change their mindset towards fast fashion and go for sustainable fashion, because Earth is the only planet that we have. That completes my review of this project. If you like the video, do click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to watch new video coming out next week, and do drop your comments in the comment section. I see you next week with a new video. Till then,